Hello class, we want to continue with the jacket by shaping the body. Yeah, shaping the blocks, shaping the body. So first thing first, sorry I've done this already, but all you need to do, two inwards, just measure 1.5 centimeter. Let's make it A. 1.5 centimeter, you mark it here. You do same here, 1.5, 1.5, then you roll a straight line in this direction. Then connect to 1. Remember, it was 1 that was here. Connect to 1. Yeah, we are shaping. On line 17, on the waist, we are going to mark B. This is the waistline. Don't forget that this is the hip line, and this is the hem, the length of the jacket. Remember, we dropped it here to make it longer. So I'm going to make here C, and I will extend the line to 23. To 23 in this direction. Yeah. What we are doing next is to connect 16 to B in this direction. 16 to B in this direction. It's meant to be curved, but not so curved like that. In this direction. Then connect to. So on 16 again, we are going to make a straight line with a broken line in this direction, and I'll make the E. Then I'm going to curve that line to E in this direction. I'm going to connect E to C in this direction, just curving the lines. Then we're going to curve this to D, but D, what's the measurement of this? So 3 to, sorry, C to D is 3 centimeter. C to D is 3 centimeter. You mark it this way, then you connect B. You connect B to D in this direction. You can use it like this as well, in this direction. It's going to be a bit curved, not so curved in this direction. Don't forget this 3 centimeter. So we finished working on the back. Now is to work on the side seam. So what we are going to do is to measure from 25. We follow the curved line. We measure 1.5 centimeter. 1.5 centimeter in this direction. So this will be our hip. So you take the line, our hip, you take the line down. Take the line down in this direction. So I'll make here G, then I'll take it down as well to the hem line. Take it down to the hem line. So I'll make it H here. H here. We're going to shape part 1 now. So just locate the distance between F and G, the middle. When you do that, at the middle, just measure 0.5 inward a bit, inward in this direction. The same thing applies to the distance between 16 and E. Then you curve it in. Yeah, then H to high. On H you measure outward 0.75 in this direction. Let's make it high. Then you connect G to high. This is high. You connect G to high. Connect G to high in this direction. G to high. Then from H we're going to measure for J 1 centimeter. You measure J from from H backwards in this direction for J. So that will be J. Then you connect this direction to J. Yeah. So this is how it's going to look. This is how it's going to look. At the end of the day, you'll be cutting, you'll be detaching this from this. This is the side body. This one is the side body, that is from here like this to this place is the side body. From here to here is the side body. I'll show you to let you know what to do. So now that we are done with the shaping of the body, let's shape the front side. Let's shape the center front, which is this side. What do you do? Already you know that let's make here 23A. All you need to do is to measure inward, 6 centimeters. How do I mean? You measure from here, from 23A, you measure 6 centimeters inward, or more or less, depending on how you want it. Then with a cord, you connect it to this button wrap button stand in this direction. That is it. So it could be more than this, it could be more curved. You can do, if you have this kind of curve, you can do this as well. You can have shape, other shapes, depend on you. So that is it. So this is the way the body shape will look like at the end of the day when you cut out. Though the center front will not look like this. It's going to have the lapel, it's going to have the collar. The collar will be separated on its own, will be on a separate sheet on its own. But this curve, like I said, is something like this. It's going to have its own lapel like that. It's going to have its own lapel. It's going to have its lapel. Okay, I'll come back to this. But this is what the cutouts will look like. This is the back. This is the side body, and this is the center front. You're going to have seam allowance on the side, like this, like this, like this. The same thing you're going to cut out for the lining. So on the break line, that is where this will be coming, we'll be folding from. And the seam allowance here is 1 inch. I just want you to see what it's going to look like. So for your facing, you can measure like 5 inch or 6 inch inward, and I think I mentioned it earlier in the video. This will be your facing. That will be your facing. Though we've not done pocket and all that, I'll show you how to do that. Thank you. So for the pocket and that, measure from here 2 centimeters in this direction and roll it with a faint line down. Make here, remember from here, I think it was 24 rather, you measure backwards 2.5. So let's make it B. Then you square on that line, you roll down. On the waistline, you measure 8 centimeters downwards. Then you square across. This is 8 centimeters. You square across in this direction. That's before any cutouts. You are doing all the pattern. I took it step by step so you can understand. So you say C to D is 8.25 in this direction. 8.25 D. Then C to E 9.25. It won't get to the center. I'm only using this to illustrate. This is E. Then you take up 1 centimeter upward for F. For F, then you connect it in this direction. So this is your pocket mouth. So let's create that. Our dart is around here. This is where it's going to stop. From here you drop it by 1.5. Sorry, this is not. So from the waist, let's measure from the waist. You measure 6 centimeters upward. Let's say it stops here, 6 centimeters, and it ends here. So the dart width is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and you connect. The dart width is 1 centimeter, like I said. Then you connect to A1. Remember, from the waistline you measure upward 6 centimeter. So this is the pocket mark. So I'm going to show you the chest pocket, the word chest pocket now. So 27 to E is 10 centimeter. Sorry, 27 to E is 4 centimeter. Let me make it E here, 4 centimeter. Then the line will pass through this direction. So 21 to 51 is 1 point. 21 to 21 is 1.5. So from here, you measure 10 centimeter wherever it stops. You measure in this direction wherever it stops, 10 centimeter. So let me make that E1, and the height is 1 inch, 3/8 to 1 inch. I'm sorry, 3/4 to 1 inch. Yes, 3/4, depends on how you want it, 3/4 to 1 inch, that is it. So this is the dart, this is the jet pocket, and this is the side pocket. I think I'm able to help you with this. So for the sewing, the book I promise I'm going to give, and so you can use that to couple everything together. It's very straightforward. Thank you for joining the class. So for the collar, I'm going to show you, you're going to trace it out in this direction. So this is what the collar will look like. These are seam allowance for it. This one you won't have to it, and you can add in order to save yourself from some stress. This is under collar, that is like a stand for it. So this is the trace out. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly subscribe and let other people know we can teach them. We have solid tutorial. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Thank you. Coming up next is a sleeve, which I'm going to put the link of each of the courses under this video. So just click to view. Thank you.